Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of EK Sinbad. This one's going to be a pretty quick one. I want to show you how easy it is to get the front end off of an old truck. I haven't found really any videos that are real quick and show you exactly what to do. They're all 20 minutes long and a waste of time. So I'm going to show you that real quick, and then after we're done, I'm going to talk about some goals I have for this year for my channel. So stay tuned and check this out. Alright guys, I'm going to show you. This is a 57 Chevy truck, 3100. They should all be the same from like 49 to 59, probably 58, somewhere in there. So I'm going to show you real quick how to do this, okay? First, there's a bolt right here. See the door? Right here, you get to it from up top, open the hood, you can get it right there. Then, right here's this little strut. That strut has a bolt on it. You can either take it off from the body or I took it off from the fender. Down here, this bolt right in front of the door, you have to come from the back side, get it from the back side. Mine were extremely rusted on that one. So that's 1, 2, 3. Then there's a bolt right here on the inside. See this little mount right there? There's a bolt right there. And then your last one, if you look down from your radiator and you look straight down, there's this. It's right in front of your radiator, right inside your fender. There's that bolt. There's supposed to be a backing to it so you can just take it off. Mine didn't have one on one side, so I had to get creative to get that off, but that is really all you need to get the front end off. Now I took the bumper off as well off mine because it was easier to get the front end off, and I'll show you how I have the front end over here in a second. So over here is the front end. This is the fender bolt that's down on the lower part of the door. One side of mine came out no problem. The other side broke off. So I'm gonna have to figure out some way to get that out of there without ripping this apart. It's gonna be interesting to figure out. I think I'm probably gonna be able to drill it out, and hopefully the tap is still there. Right here, it's kind of a weird angle because we're technically like under the truck right now. But right here, this is where your radiator would be. Right there's where those bolts are. And then it pretty much comes off as one piece. Me and my dad pulled it off. We set it in the back of the truck to get it out of the way for a while. But then I discovered that it'll sit nose down completely on its own, no problems. So I have it sitting there like that. Front bumper, rear bumper I have off already. Next video I'm going to be tackling getting the bed off, so look for that one to be a little more in depth. Which brings me to my next thing I wanted to talk about. So when I first started my YouTube channel, I was pretty good about getting a video out every single week. Well, I had a baby since then, and the last year and a half, it's really hard for me to create content, edit content, and get it out. But I'm making it a goal for this year to get back on the one video a week routine. So it's going to be one video a week. If I miss a week, I'm going to try to follow it up with 2 videos the next week. That's how I did it before. But stay tuned. A lot of stuff going on this truck. So hopefully I can show you it. There's a couple other projects that we got going on. I'm hoping to be able to show you those. The person I'm working on those with kind of doesn't want it to be on YouTube, but I want to try to talk them into it, but we'll see what happens. So stay tuned, and I'll see you guys next week.
Thank you.